Hello friends, welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today, I'm super excited because I'm going to unbox a unique temporary tattoo ink that I recently ordered online. We'll open the package, check the quality, and see whether this product is really worth the hype or not. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Tattoo 18, and turn on the bell icon for more tattoo reviews and ideas. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and comment below with your thoughts. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So friends, this is the product called RECA Temporary Tattoo Ink. I ordered this China-made ink online, and honestly, it took almost 2 months to get delivered to my address. Now let's see what's inside the package. This kit contains 5 pre-designed stencil sheets and 2 bottles of ink, black and red, each with 10 milliliters quantity. The packaging looks simple, but the real question is about the quality and results. So come on, let's do the unboxing and test whether this temporary tattoo ink is worth the wait. Let's open the package. Here it is. Wow, it looks absolutely amazing. Inside the box, we get pre-made stencil sheets, which is really helpful, especially for beginners. And here are the 2 bottles of temporary tattoo ink, one in black and one in red. This product is manufactured by Hangzhou City Network Technology Company Limited, from China. The bottles look quite small, and each one contains only 10 milliliters of ink. I went through many reviews before placing this order, so now it's time to test it ourselves. Let's open the ink, apply a tattoo, and see how the